Best New Pickup Trucks of 2022 Part 2. Ram 1500 TRX. Most monster trucks are confined to arenas and closed courses, but the 2022 Ram 1500 TRX is one that can be unleashed on public roads. Essentially the regular Ram 1500 on steroids, the juiced-up TRX is dramatically wider and has a supercharged V8 that generates 702 horsepower. Sure, there are mightier Hellcat-powered models, but no other stock pickup sounds like it ate a band of demons while sailing to 60 miles per hour in just 3.7 seconds. The 450 horsepower Ford F-150 Raptor is the TRX's only real challenger, but it's not a fair fight until the 700-plus HP Raptor arrives. Even then it'll have to contend with the Ram's ridiculously luxurious interior and remarkable on-road manners, which helped it earn a 10 Best award and a place on our editor's choice list. Ford F-150. With a wide range of trims and body styles, the 2022 Ford F-150 is a workhorse that can be outfitted to suit any number of tasks. Contractors and fleet managers will appreciate the low-cost and utilitarian nature of the base XL, while oil barons and wealthy ranch owners will feel right at home in the King Ranch or Limited versions. A host of powertrains are offered too, including a hybrid and a diesel, and an off-road-ready trimmer model promises to take you nearly anywhere you need to go. The F-150 has the grit to get the job done. It's not quite as nice to live with on a daily basis as its chief rival, the Ram 1500, but huge numbers of buyers have historically been swayed by the Ford's reputation and wider range of available features. We're sure very few of them have regretted their purchase, so we're happy to put the F-150 on our editor's choice list. Ford F-150 Raptor. Think of the 2022 Ford F-150 Raptor as a pickup truck on steroids. Compared with the regular F-150, its body is bulkier, its powertrain is stouter, and its chassis is enhanced to endure more punishment in muddy, rocky, and sandy environments. Sure, the 450 horsepower twin-turbo V6 behind the Ford's distinctive face sounds underwhelming versus the Ram TRX's 702 horsepower supercharged V8, but a similarly powerful and melodic Raptor R is coming. The regular strength Raptor is still exceptional at high-flying antics, and it rides with undeniable smoothness in myriad conditions. It's not as athletic on road as the TRX, but its interior looks rich and rugged with popular tech and upscale features. Unlike the Ram, the 2022 F-150 Raptor can be fitted with 37-inch tires, but the package is pricey. Still, the Raptor is the biggest and baddest F-150 money can buy, earning it a place on our editor's choice list. Ford Super Duty. A 2022 Ford Super Duty, either the F-250, F-350, or F-450, is more truck than most people need. But for those who need one, it's mighty impressive. There's a trio of V8 engines, highlighted by a 7.3-liter with 473 pound-feet of torque and a diesel 6.7-liter with 1,050 pound-feet. A properly equipped Super Duty can tow up to 37,000 pounds and haul up to 7,850 pounds of payload. Ram HD. The 2022 Ram 2500 and 3500 are capable of replicating semi-truck-like towing abilities, and they can also be outfitted to coddle passengers with their unrivaled luxury qualities, making them worthy of an Editor's Choice Award. No other heavy-duty truck delivers the Ram's combination of ride refinement and upscale interior appointments. Of course, the Ram HD family doesn't forget its roots, either. Whether it's the diverse trim levels and body styles or the multiple powertrains that range from a 410 horsepower Hemi V8 to a Cummins diesel engine with up to 1,075 pound-feet of torque, there's a model to fit almost every budget and job description.